Last September, the Zeiss Corporation in the Philippines carried out its social responsibility by providing free materials for glasses along with standing staff to volunteer at the Tzu Free Eye Clinic. Furthermore, their staff took some coin banks, and 5 months later, staff returned coin banks to Tzu and picked up more coin banks because they wanted to continue doing good deeds.
A company in the Philippines provides free materials and also sends staff to volunteers at the Tzu Free Eye Clinic so they can help blind people see doctors and also help people with eye examinations. When the staff see the patients becoming joyful from being able to see again, it is quite touching.
When we carried out social responsibility with Gigi and saw patients who had been blind for years become so emotional when they could see again, it was very touching.
We're blessed na nandito kami.
When our eyes have problems, our company will help us deal with it, but many people don't have this kind of benefit.
Tulungan kami. Kasi ito yung portfolio namin.
After today's volunteering work was over, love continued. The staff of this company brought home a coin bag each. 5 months later, 19 coin bags are returned to Tzu.
Kasi sabi ni Master, not only the rich can help, can donate, even they are employee only, maski na po konti, they give what they feel from the heart.
Volunteers send in new coin bags so the staff can continue their love and good deeds.